Hi, we just had the Jackery, the newest version, the small version. This is the Jackery 300 watt plus. Very compact. It's only 8.27 pounds, so really light. It can fit even inside a backpack. So for us, we wanted to get this one because there are areas that we can provide power, especially right in front of the house, that we want to put right now the holidays lights, and we don't have a power jack. So having this 300, it will be very convenient for us. So I want to open it now and see what is inside. As I mentioned, this is the 300 watt Jackery solar generator. Small, compact, 8 pounds and 8.27 pounds. So it's convenient. Even sometimes my oldest daughter, go camping with us, and she stay in her little tent. So if she needs power in there, she can have this one to power whatever small devices that she wants. Oh, here it is. This is the baby one. It's very nice. Let me turn it on. One of the convenience also with this one is that it has the application support by the Jackery applications on a mobile phone. So you can turn it off, turn it on, check what is the input and the output and how long it might be lasting. Like I say, for us it's convenient also because we want to put it outside, cover it outside, and then connect the LED lights for the holidays, for Christmas outside. We wanted to use this, and we can turn it on and off from the inside of the house without necessarily going, especially now that winter is approaching. So this, it has one AC, 120 volts, 300 watts, and this is a pure sine wave. So this is very good because you can connect a laptop or sensitive equipment to it, and it will have a clean energy. And then it has two USB-C, and one of them is also the input. So if you have it for the solar panels, this one is not like the other one that has the plug in the back. So the back of this one is clean, it doesn't have anything, but just you connect the USB, the solar panel from the USB. It has an adapter in here, and then it has the USB-A, 15 watts maximum, and a regular USB-C, 100 watts maximum. So it has two USB-C, and one of them is also input. So it has the connector for a car adapter, the car charger. So it can be charge devices like a small refrigerator, camping, connected there. And it has also a flashlight. I guess it has a SOS. So this is mostly what it has. It comes 29%. Let's see what is inside the little envelope. as I mentioned it has the adapter for the C connector, so it goes here. And then I can connect one of the solar sagas, like the 40, 60, 80, or even 100 watts. The 200 watts is too much. It probably, I don't know, it doesn't recommend it based on the reading that I did. And this is for the power to recharge. So it's right on the side. So this is convenient. Now I want to show Christmas light, small Christmas light. Let's see how. Yep, beautiful. This is what we want to do. And let's see how long, more or less. It say in the booklet that will take about 2 hours. Now it's pulling 200 watts maximum. So it said that it will take 1 hour and 1.3 hours to recharge completely. That's using the AC connectors. Like I mentioned it before, it has one USB-A 15 watts maximum, and then it has two USB-C 100 watts maximum. And from those, one of those is also the input. The other one, both of them work fine as the output, but one is also to recharge for in the car or solar or even USB, regular USB. That's the connection for that one. So this is very handy. It's really small, and I think that we did a very good make good decision purchasing this one. And as I mentioned it before, this is our review for this device. It's unboxing and reviewing, and I hope you like it. If you have any comments, please put it down there on the video, and like this video, subscribe to our channel so we can continue making videos like this, reviewing equipment for the outdoor. And just also for disclaimer, we bought this device with our own money, so it's no sponsor. We just like the company and the product, and we believe that it's probably the best in the market, and the values is very good. In addition, it has a very good warranty. It's 3 years, and if you buy also from the company directly, it's additional 2 years. So this is 5 years. Also for this one, it has the batteries is changed. It's using now the lithium iron phosphate LFP, so it lasts much longer, the life cycle. So this is about 3,000 or 4,000 life cycle, 100%, and then after that it will diminish to about 80% and 70%. So 4,000 cycles is really a long time, more than 10 years. So that's one of the reasons that we got this device. Also, like I mentioned, it has the connection, the application, supports on the application, so I can remote control this with a USB, via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So it's really a plus. Now I would like to review the application. As you can see, go to Jackery. It should show all my devices, and this one is a 300 plus. So I click on it. Right now it's charging 41%. So see it right there, 41%. And input 200 watts. And the beauty also is that I can turn on ports from here, like the AC. And then you see right away, I can turn DC I can turn it off. I can turn the other one off. And I can put the lights. I can also put a highlight. Then I can go to the configuration here and check if it has the latest firmware. So say that it has the latest one. I can also change the name, check the batteries, like if you want it to be charging fast or slow, the battery savings mode. And user manual, so if I wanted to review it to learn anything else that I am missing, so it's in here, the digital version. And so this is really cool. I like it, and looking forward to use it outside, setting up the Christmas decoration outside, and it will be powered by regular power and USB, so using LED lights that don't pull so much power. All right, thank you so much again, and I hope you like this video, and again, like the video and make comments if you have any questions, and I will do my best to respond to all your questions. Thank you.